Good morning, everybody. It's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and Easter is coming up. And if you want some fun activity to do with your kiddos, you need to check out this Eggmazing. This is an egg decorator. It's shaped like an egg, and what this is you're going to be able to put in your hard-boiled egg, or you can purchase even wooden eggs from them as well. So this is Eggmazing, and a shout out to them for gifting me this so I could do this review. This is a very simple machine. You're going to go ahead and put some batteries in the back, and then you have it on and off. And so as soon as you turn it on, these 4 rubber wheels will start to roll. And what we can do with this, let's turn it off. It's shaped like an egg and it's so cute. We can put our egg in there, and you're going to get 8 different egg markers too as well. You can use markers, you can use paint, anything like that. This is going to go ahead, and we turn this on, spin the egg, and now watch what happens. So if I'll take blue just to give you an example, look at that, right? You're going to be able to go through and decorate those eggs. So cool. Look at that. Check that out. I can turn that off, and you're going to get that perfect line all the way across the egg. This would be great for craft time, not even just Easter. If you just wanted to use it for crafts, you could put anything in there that was around that could spin, so you can paint and do these cool designs and let the kids just have fun. It just gives it a different taste, a different aspect of decorating eggs, making it easier and more symmetric. So really cool. Definitely recommend checking the Eggmazing egg decorator out. You're not going to be disappointed.